Well, I've been looking for something like GetSetUp for a long time, frankly. Um, there were a number of companies that I'd already invested in that were focused on older people as patients, basically, as the subjects of care. And I wanted a company that focused on the learning possibilities for older people and treated them as um, agents making decisions and learning and growing in their own right. So loneliness kills, right? The UK now has a minister of loneliness. That's how seriously they take it as a health threat. It imposes tremendous actual hard medical costs on society, but it also just leads to sadly, shriveled and diminished lives. Give people social connections and the sense that they can grow and evolve, and you give them a longer and a happier life and a more productive life.